After a few comments and a few requests, today we are going to be watching this 2008 Ford Crown Victoria.
So what you guys just didn't see was I sprayed them with a hose and I forgot to turn this off, so you're just going to have to imagine that for now. I thought it was funny. Oh, good. He hasn't done the wheels first, guys. Oh no, let's all cry and hate on him in the comments for not doing the wheels first.
Sorry?
Nothing, you'll see it when you're editing it.
Why would you do the wheels first?
Because that's what social media says to do.
Oh, because social media does it right all the time, doesn't it?
Yeah, social media is always right, aren't we?
Rough as arseholes.
Is it? Oh, it is. It needs clay barring. You can clay bar it.
There's no point clay barring something that needs to be painted.
He should clay bar.
How do you look at this car?
That is stuck on there like fuck, isn't it? And that is half dirty, half cleanish. Obviously the line isn't very straight because neither's the owner, so.
Neither is the person holding the camera.
I would say missed a bit, but the whole fucking car is still dirty. So.
Don't know what you're on about.
What, this clean panel's not dirty now?
Don't know what the problem is, mate. Good enough for NYPD, good enough for me.
Yeah, don't get it repainted then.
I've never sweat so much washing a car, and as you can see, it's still nowhere near as good as what it needs to be. I definitely think it's going to need a paint job. That's going to wrap this video up. If you're enjoying my content, please make sure you smash that subscribe button. Please make sure you smash that like button, and I'll catch you in the next one.
See ya.